how to turn off or on storage permission on Home Improvement Visualizer on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click the storylines here. Now click settings and then click permissions, and now just wait a few seconds, and now scroll down until you find storage, and here we'll find home improvement. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.